Hello and welcome back for another episode of Thriftcation's Travel Updates. Norwegian Cruise Line has a new cruise ship and we're going to take a look at it. It's called the Prima. After experiencing some record-breaking sales, Norwegian Cruise Lines is proving that demand for cruises is back. They debuted a brand new ship which is going to start sailing in August of 2022, but bookings have been going crazy. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new ship and some of the features and highlights of it. It's one of the most grand cruise ships that you've seen. The ship itself is called the Prima, and it's the first of 6 ships that are going to be in this class. As we go through the photos, you'll notice a couple of features that are just mind-blowing, that you would not even believe that this is a ship floating on water. The Prima has 107 haven suites, which are all stacked up at the aft of the ship. Guests who stay in these suites have unlimited ocean views, which is going to give those guests access to some of the top experiences on board. On deck, guests will be able to experience 2 infinity pools overlooking the ocean. So here on the Haven Sun Deck, you'll notice that they have the new infinity pool, which is right outside of the spa. The Prima has 13 different suite categories, and one of the largest is a huge 3-bedroom suite. Speaking of suites, there's the owner's suite, which you'll see here has a hot tub on the deck, which overlooks the balcony and overlooks the open sea. Another thing that was done for the Prima is that the inside ocean view and balcony rooms are much larger than they've been on previous ships. There's also larger bathrooms and showers for the standard rooms. Hungry? Want to eat? Well, enjoy the Indulgence food hall. What's nice about the food hall is this is Norwegian's first ever upscale open air marketplace. Looking at the picture, you'll see a number of outdoor seating options for dining, as well as views. Guests can enjoy some of their favorites, such as Coco's, Hughes Texas Smokehouse, and a Starbucks. Nighttime falls, you're ready to sit back, kick back, and relax and watch the sunset. Guests can enjoy this cool fireplace on the deck. Great place to gather the family and retreat and just take in the sunset and the views. Amazing. For those who want to enjoy an upscale dining experience, Norwegian has partnered with the Italian restaurant Scarpetta, which is offering both indoor and outdoor seating. And what's a vacation without an opportunity to take amazing selfies? Here's a beautiful outdoor sculpture that guests can stop by and take amazing pictures with the ocean as a backdrop. So remember, the Norwegian Prima is the first of 6 vessels in this class. The ship will be able to accommodate over 3,000 guests at double occupancy. So voyages will begin in summer of 2022. This is a complete game changer for the Norwegian Cruise Line. As always, if you're interested in taking advantage of one of these trips on the Prima, there's 2 ways to book your travel. You can contact us and work with one of our agents, and we'll get you all set up to go and do your planning for you. Or you can click the link on our website called Make Me an Agent. Learn how to earn money from trips booked for friends and family. That's our episode today. We'll see you next time on the next episode of Thriftcations TV.